Microwave
Good afternoon,
TV.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How are you guys doing this afternoon? Now, my name is Dubai Shebada, and I'm from the great, beautiful city and country of Dubai. Lord Jesus, what was city name in Dubai? The desert. I'm from the city desert. So, how you guys doing? Well, I'm about to go by embassy now since Trump win. Since Trump win, I'm about to go by embassy. When I tell them to say I want Trump for win, I'm just coming from foreign, you know, people. I'm just coming from foreign. I'm just come from foreign. I'm going to tell you, say, I'm going to cast my vote, I'm going to cast my back. So, Cheesy Blasey, Ivan, your full name first, me will call to Trump. Cheesy Blasey, Ivan, full name first, me will call to Trump. Ivan, you're not missing this. You know how long I want Trump when people may just come from country. I'm going to look more venues. I am happy. I am happy Trump got one with it. I never want to come along in. And brag about the love I found. But not in the I'm glad Trump win. But no man, the run of the border rat them did that one too bad. The border rat them, the undocumented people did that one. Me glad Trump win. Me say me want Trump group up everybody win a New York cheese and go for Atlanta for Ivan or whatever Ivan wanted and send home Ivan in nastiness. Me not ask no. Me no want nobody say, what a way bad man the girl, or when I wish bad pan the girl. When I wish bad pan the girl, me I do her a favor. She a waste time. Me glad Trump win. Me glad Trump win. All if Trump say no one nobody offer it, me glad him win. Cheers and Ivan, I'm sorry for no waste of time. Waste of space and waste of life. Me sorry for no. Me, to all my sorry, I want to cry. We don't waste too much time, man, and forget. Not big time waster, we're not joke to life. Yeah? I'm glad I want Trump to lock up the border. When they leave, when they kill this life of Jamaica, Ghana foreign, gonna upset the people in taxes because we not benefit and we not want the most way. I want if Donald Trump got did Batman. I want if Trump got did Quincy. Me glad Mumzel, me glad Trump win, me glad Trump down with the cake. All who under my advice and eat my speech go suck on a mother. Go suck out on a mother. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not waste of time of foreign. Waste of time. I'm not waste of time. I want to say waste of time. America need to go in an order, man. Starting with we Jamaicans, America need to go in an order. All of the nastiness we run off a foreign and now make use of the opportunity. We don't need to come back on the moko. Come back on the suck cocky moko. Yeah, all of the way I hype a foreign and I go like foreign and phone. Remember I want to care about foreign and when I come back home, I say I want Trump show out from left to right. I want when Trump don't show him have the right hand and the left hand. And that I want. I'm glad how Trump will make America great again. Trump, I just want help to make America great again by sending home cheese and Ivan. Cheese and Ivan have to come home. I have them address for any time I'm ready. Trump, I have cheese address, I have Ivan address, so anytime you're ready, I must call the White House. Can't wait for January. Man. I mean, I still jump over RT bars, go look in the dungeon. Me not rat pandem. Me not rat pandem. Me go mermaid pandem. Me go mermaid pandem and a rat. Me tip two dick cheese so. Whoa. Yeah, me not rat pandem. You mad? Me go mermaid pandem me. Go tell it on the mountains, over the hills and everywhere. Me not rat pandem. Me glad Trump win. Me glad Trump win. Me not tell her like she's got to go, Barney got to go, and everybody else for kill this. I know you're not gonna use them fake social and go get work. Yeah, ask me, how do I sleep at night? Don't block this individual. What you mean? Do not block the individual. That's about how do I sleep at night. What do you mean, girl? I'm a bed, brush my teeth, I'm going on my bed, turn on my AC, my TV, I'm watch till my eye tired, my eye easily tired. I'm just drop asleep after I say my prayer. Sometimes I say my prayer before me even start watching TV because me don't want to forget. Me don't want to sleep them over. So, oh, you sleep at night. Come in to know where you at, where you talk about. Them for come at them yard. Them for come at them yard. About how do I sleep at night? More America Grow Eyes. Me want America Grow Eyes. I want them show cheese, the blast, and everybody else over there will kill this. Everybody will kill this more than them put out. I care zero where you want. So what if people come for chat today too, you know? What if people come for chat today? I care zero where you want. Say, I Barney got to go, cheesy blast, they got to go. They're a disgrace for run off. Got to go. Vanny and cheese together. And I Barney first. Vanny and cheese together. Them going. So when you want to know how me sleep at night, I turn on my AC, I love on my TV after I done bed and brush my teeth and say my prayer and just lay down in my bed. And if I take a big wood, I take it. Thank you very much, baby. And that in itself quiet man. So when you want to know how people sleep at nights, this is the way. So Rochelle, I pray you continue in the strength that you're seeking. And I pray, you know, it is so funny. Everybody come with the bad part of Rochelle and never come with the good part. Rochelle says she find God and the Lord a teacher, one and two things. And you see, for such, I can only say God be with you, Rochelle, and I hope you continue in His teaching. I know it's hard, especially when Rochelle, let me tell you, come and talk to you, Rochelle. When you say you can't even find tears to cry, I believe you. Rochelle, this is your strength growing because what you're doing now, you're fighting your feelings. You're fighting your feelings, the one that you know. Even if you think about your man, you can't sleep, Rochelle. You can't sleep, but you see, it's an uncomfortable situation to be in. But it's also a good situation to be in. You know, when you really can't, it's when you can't sleep. And then some of them, my table dirty, so it's when you can't sleep, and then some days a good thing in a relationship like this because it's gonna take you some time to get over him, and then you're gonna pop style for you and go like life better for him more than how it's better it is for you. and them something you're gonna drain your Rochelle, but hold on to your Jesus, hold on to your changes where you get. You understand me? Marianne, go suck your mama. Go suck out your mama, Marianne. Here? Go suck out your big old mama. Please, Marianne. Somebody block her for me. You're too enough, not ears for me. If you have somewhere I'm gonna help you go on. Go suck out your mother, Marianne. Both same honest. Go suck out your mama. But name out your big old mother. Now hurry me to come from my program and direct me. Go direct your jing bang picnic them where measles, kill or hunger. Go direct them. Go direct the unfortunate cocky for slide past your wall. Go and direct them. But somebody black Marianne film on the black car. Yeah. But I'm out your mother, man. So if you sit down and you're hungry and wait for chapter 1 and chapter 2, may I make your job hard. I'm come to take my time and chat everybody in the world. Because when they might give it to me, them group up. So I'm come to take my time, and if you can't wait, go on and work. Go on and work. Then what are we Jaden sit down and make him clown out Fabi about our clocks need for now. Jaden, I can't bother with you. I love you too much. I mean, I not say nothing. I love you too much, Jaden. I mean, I not ever say nothing. Never ever say no. Just leave that one there, so. Leave that one there, so. Because one thing we teach him like to mock other persons. You understand me? And other people. But nobody know to talk about mash mouth Maya. I don't know how to say Maya look good, but she not look good to me. Because I can't judge people under makeup and filter. Yeah. He likes to talk and indulge and engage and support. So I'm not bother with Uno. Una rubbish, you don't forget over this. I can't remember Uno nobody really. Who else we can chat here now? Who else must send me that for chat? Maybe have some more people for chat, you know? But I can't remember them, yeah. I just feel like I have the live now. Yeah, Trump me did that chat. Yes, my love. I like count out with the information, you see. So now, Missy King now. Who know the guy with the space in the teeth? Who know the guy with the name King now with the space in the teeth? Him say Chrissy need to come out and give us some form of understanding or some form of explanation. That's how I'm going. When I read the comments that say, yeah, she need to come out and she need for this and she need for that, right? Not King Tabby, King. No. You see all life funny? Chrissy must come out and give some form of explanation to fear our own family life and family matter, you know, for us to have an understanding. And him going to it for the state, some form of justification to his statement that them build them life on the media and them live them, you know, and them and a lot of people. I see what me and saying to myself, I see this boy. See this boy right here, so it's just that some persons appears a particular way and they are not. Yeah. Yes. God bless. You know, say when King I say Chrissy come out and because them build them life on the net and blah blah, So cocky world dog and so good Swiss Lina build them life on the internet too. And all I know them not tell you how Joe did and who cast Joe dead. You see, on the truth, no want the people them bamrush on a platform, no want to be on everybody good side. That's why me no nurture myself in a hypocrisy. Me no nurture myself in a hypocrisy, because there comes a time when all are gonna show up. If you are gonna force the woman where I got through a disgrace now to come on the internet, you understand me? And all she did was support. You understand me? A situation. She never encouraged, she never waiting there. Stop the situation. World Dog caused Joe's life to be gone. And you want Chrissy come out and talk, and World Dog and Swiss Lee come on the internet. And if World Dog can't speak, let Swiss Lee be the speaker for him. Swiss Lee could attack everything we want to say, because Swiss Lee can read World Dog signs and wonders. He could attack it, but no want to say them something. You want to come up and talk about say the girl who an explanation. King go suck your mother. Go suck out your mother. Me eat hypocrites. One too hypocritical. Well dog, we're glad that you're okay and you're back. And you know that's all I do. That's why I'm telling you every day when I come on the platform and I pity on one another. When I come like Rowan Robin or bartender. For true, very selective, very. All I know, World Dog come back a beg like Jonah did, and nobody don't see the thing in it because it's not phone brother. And a phone brother life gone, man, uncle, or nephew, and a phone come back a beg like everything normal and sit down and cry like you miss Joe, and me you know from heaven to earth said another one bite the dust. That's it. On a very wicked, and then you want me for chat now, and you want Chrissy now for come out, come talk about why and this and that. Chrissy now have to come out, come over in an explanation, make the wall with class her, behind her back, her pick up fear in front of her face. She not over nothing, make the wall we just go and run with where we are here. And where we are get. Make we go and run with it. On the two outside order. When we say World Dog come back here, I'm telling you, say me attack with una think, because if una can't sit down and wait for Chrissy who have got you or Bitamara, and una not give no time for your headspace heal, but World Dog who for and ring with a bullet. And him on the medication can't hear say TikTok a lockdown January, and the whole him can't afford for November gone and leave him because December not promised to nobody. And in the pan, yes guys, I just want to tell you now and complete people emotion about your ball. I could have stop with you. I don't say nothing for cry for. Nothing for cry for. The whole of we invested in a Chrissy business. I want Christian, I want you Christian CMR who them touch, and I will go round, I will go round, I will go round, and we never stop fabricating arguments till we get it right. We never stop. We never stop fabricating arguments until we get it right. I know when you know man, Christian need for come out and World Dog need for talk the time him come back a beg. Me don't know how them can beg suffer man. Me don't know how them can beg suffer man. Under the medication, the time him did the attack, am I right? Him can't tell me say, boy, you know my fault or the argument done. Something right between World Dog and Joe them family. Something right. Something is just not right, but throw a phone the money, buy the shoes and the lace, give them so they can hype and operate the same way. Anyways, moving right along now, people. Coming out dwell upon this, but King chat too much. King for go lay down. King for go lay down, him chat too much. He's a hypocrite individual, very hypocritical. All him no want to walk with the medical office because he might make me buy the wrong medication. But just when we talk about Jonah just dead and done so. World Dog has a case. At that we talk about. Not because we see him at home. World Dog has a case. I forgot to give some account as to why Joe dead, who killed Joe, how it all occurred. It's not just going on one statement. It's not just going on statement. Them not tell you the things, them might hide it. They are hiding it. That's why I'm gonna look past someone a drunk on germs. So I got big, you know, as much as him on the internet, go give him liar money. Go and give him his liar fee. Yeah, so I'm not giving enough for what want to say. So we're not come and talk. If we're gonna chat everybody on the internet, we're gonna chat everybody on the internet. It's if we're gonna hear from, we want to hear people business, we want to hear from everybody. I'm not too hypocritical. That's why if I have my business, I not share it. Oh, pick up along the way, because I saw the stay. Of course, him friend did a fireback, so him have got talk. Oh, him friend get the gun. Why his friend has an illegal gun? Why his friend defending him? You think the people him now know I want to talk it on the internet say is his bodyguard. So them go want know what kind of work him do for a bodyguard. Cause me never know say a Trump. Yeah. Them go want know what every single thing after going in the statement, and him can't lie, cause them go pick it up because a whole heap of different spend shell, and the whole of them have gunpowder upon them, but who don't know that? Forensic proof every single thing. Forensic proof every single thing. That is why CMR at fire now. So come here now. Imagine someone would do one class, you know. But you know, so the whole of an idiot. Because we're not about CMR touches stepdaughter. CMR is supposed to touch all his mother. We're not gonna get the picture. CMR supposed to touch all his mom, all his sister them. That's his doing. I don't feel sorry for the little girlie. I don't feel sorry for none of them. I really don't. I'm not heartless. I really don't feel sorry for anybody. The little girl, the big girl, the medium girl, I don't feel sorry for none of them. I don't have my sorry for you, so. I don't have my sorry for, that's what I'm sorry for world, dad. It's not the first, it's not the second, it's not the third. It's the third, sorry. It's not the first, it's not the second, it's the third. So we may go put on my feel sorry for now. Alright, when me I grew up in a people, I want to listen to all my talk. It's when me I grew up. I don't want nobody on my level. That's a number one. Come here go with all of the arguments, you know, because the forensic proof different from the statements. No fun not read. Say the forensic proof a lot different from both of them statements. The little girl and the big man. The little girl and children are innocent. The whole of we are children. We are children of the Lord that we're innocent, real bad. And that is why you have baby genius when no more than adults. Now listen to me. I say, you talk about children innocent. You just a dwell upon the part where I say, I'm not sorry for none of them. So cocky girl, let me tell you something. Me not have no picnic, so me not have picnic innocent. And don't blame me for not being knowledgeable. Because me not give birth. You understand me? Because if ice born out of I born the whole ice could have never be innocent. Is a chip off the whole block? Go suck your mama. Go suck your mother. Yeah, come attack. Me say me not sorry for none of them. You can't make me sorry for none of them. Me not sorry for the little girl, not the big girl, not the medium sized girl. I don't sorry, me not have me sorry for you so. Me I walk and take up information on off of the internet and I'm sorry for it. Yet him about children are innocent. Me no business if picnic innocent. Me never innocent when me young. You never innocent when you young too. We just work on people's emotions. Let me tell you this. If it's 3 times it happened and the girl is knowledgeable. Number one, and now look on how knowledgeable she is. Fine. The stories don't match. That's why I can't feel sorry. Why them lock him up? Because forensic proof otherwise. We don't know forensic. We don't know forensic. She have traits of being fondled on her. Now the story is told. In Sarah play with herself, tell us to get ready for go to school. For her story, she asleep, him touch up on her shoulder, breast, butt. Not much. Them know what them a do. As much as it's a disgrace, you tell that you know 2-1 disgrace yourself. We know what we are doing, whether we're big or middle size. We know what we're doing. Jesus never born a big man when he go up on the cross. The stories don't match the forensic. Because if a mouth talk, right? And she's been fondled. You understand me? And you're gonna do the forensic. And you come back, she'll say she never play with. It's mouth talk. So you can't steal. So why is it that she is afraid to tell the whole entire story? Why is she afraid to tell the whole entire story? I understand she's a child. And her pride is in her way. She doesn't have to give the full truth. But it still comes back to the fact that the adult has no business fondling the child. So we just want to get that out of the way. Because we all have to understand that we are adults and they are kids. And a lot of times kids tell lies. You get what I say? A lot of times kids tell lies. And you have to understand how to analyze the full truth out of half truth. Because the half truth, I pay half truth I tell. I pay half truth. You know me I go block your call because you're so cold. Me I go block you if you're a Christian man, you're so cocky. Me I go block you. Me hate uno know so na batty man, you know. Uno know na batty boy. Me I go block your call, you're too much now. Go seek the word of God and not seek my attention. Go and seek the word of God. Me I block you so cocky call. As a Christian, as a preacher, as a deacon, me I go block you. You're so cold and not all the time in it. And not all the time in it. You're so cocky man. I'm gonna suck your mother. Oh, yeah. And ask all my ignorance, so your stupidity for a big man. Go take your attitude under your mama and she birth you. I don't know you from nowhere. Do not seek my attention on a daily on my program. The last time you came here, we were supposed to have a Bible study and you dismiss it. But you want to come tell me now, say, if I repent and all of them something there. Why you never stand up to the scripture? You come now about hey, Shebada was the storm. The storm underneath your big old mother Carl. The storm come and lodge underneath your big old mother. Yeah. Martin, if you find call, block him for me now, please. Do me a big black call. Yeah, back to the script. You know, you see, it doesn't matter. A lot of us, when we were young, we tell half truth. You know, we tell half truth. Now, when me did say Chrissy know everything, and when me did say if him touch Chrissy's daughter, we would hear about it. Somebody tell me when me did I say we're lying on? Somebody tell me when me did say we're lying. Alright now, I want to point out a lot of things. Most of them idolize the family. That's why I don't have a family. I like the family when I know them dirty deeds. You see, it's the third time, and people are saying, why should I go to school go tell somebody? You see, when the little girl say she never tell her mother, me nah buy that. Me nah buy that. Me nah buy the fact that she say she tell her mother and her mother not know about it. Me nah buy that. Me nah buy it say she not tell her mother. That me nah buy. Me nah buy the fact that she not tell her mother. Me buy the fact that she tell Chrissy and Chrissy cover it up. If it's 3 times this happen, why Chrissy make him continue posting the child? Why she keep these videos going with the child and him? We just want someone to answer these things. So when on the plan, all him do a tear down woman, me tell you the seminar tear down no one in the cause of garbage. It's not the money. It's not the money, and stop talking about it's money. Cause them not have no money. Them not have no money. And why did them come out here and keep dance and look money? Them not have no money because I don't know what we call money. What you mean the little girl was afraid of breaking up the family? When you come up from a program, that's why I can't talk to someone face to face, you know? What you mean the little girl was afraid of breaking up the family? Some man woman forget because some man woman get touched. Some man woman old and get touched. You never get grind before they go in at evening time from work. It's not the May. It's not the May soft girl. The May not in it appear June. No May not in it, but she may have no May not in it. No May not in it. Let me say why me know Chrissy know. Nobody pan yes or never take money, it's not just me alone. So like all on a virgin, let me tell you. First thing first, you know, when the man not give you much attention, much fun, much joke, much everything. Everything is being diverted. The closeness of the child and him Chrissy must recognize that. You understand me? Now Chrissy every time excitement go out because her man's downfall, she put on her makeup and do her hair and do her video and sit down in front of it, so. For the tell her she's strong. And she work with that. For the tell her she's strong. Now Chrissy knew all along. For me see Chrissy do that, I know she know all along. And I come back, Lord, my time. And guys, we have to be careful. Don't talk what you don't know. A lot of stories out there that aren't true. The story not to be true. When 3 times your husband touch the child, we're living in the house where you there. When you see your man old, when you think about your man old are going to your daughter, or come out of your daughter and go back in you. How you feel, Chrissy? You must be demonic. You must be demonic. You have to be demonic. I told them, I said, if this happened in a Chrissy house, she would never tell the world, so said, so done. 6 months ago it happened, you go let the Carter family them clean. When a dog shit. When a dog doodle. It never reached that far, Shibi. Which far it never reached, my love? What are you talking about? Of course, me that charge Chrissy too. I mean that charge her for an unfit mother. Chrissy know everything else about the internet and I know where we're going to your house. Chrissy, come on, man, are you clean your house? Of course, the little girl tell Chrissy can't tell me that she's not knowledgeable at this. Because this should have frightened her the same way it frightened the general public. But no, it not frightened her. Someone not tell me say, I not alone want to sit down and defend Chrissy. Me not defend no matter where sell them data for keep a man. Me not doing it. This is straight up selling, moi. This is straight up selling. She has sell her data, she has pimp out her data for keep the man. And when you look on the man look like a demon. Him have a guilty countenance. Him have a guilty countenance. Chrissy is not strong. Chrissy is just fool. She's just strong in a foolery. So when the whole of no one feeling on top about now she be Chrissy knows her daughter take her man cocky. Let me just put it this so. Chrissy and her daughter share husband. Chrissy and her child that share her husband. Her daughter going into the house. I don't want to call it out. Thank you very much, Jamaican girl. I don't want to call it out. Chrissy and her daughter share man. And then today she knows that they must share man. And I don't think Chrissy and her daughter have a good relationship too. Because some hurt must have carry. Some feelings must have carry. And that today Rosalie take her mother man. Rosalie take her mother man too. And that today take care. We not go like it incredulous. Me not care if him never want penetrate her, I don't want penetrate her. Forensic show that she's been fondled. So whether him use him finger penetrate her, him tongue penetrate her, him wood penetrate her, she play up with it. So you tell me, oh, forensic, no. Eh? So why is he charged? Me not understand if somebody tell lie pie and them do forensic and then come back come charge you. What does that say? No for owner there with pedophile. No for owner man a pedophile. No for owner baby father a pedophile. No for owner baby father out there a pedophile. So me not understand. I crab him crabber. Of course, the picnic have sense. Exactly. So if somebody come here and say, me molest them, and then take me in and carry the individual and test the individual, and I yes, so me say them, how them gonna charge me? How them gonna charge me? Tell me. And I yes, so me sit down. Of course, them interview you and test you, them after test you. Them after test you. Someone have like, someone have battery darling and will never report phone a battery. Someone have battery darling and never report it. So all on a state defense and a go on. The man played a little girl and if 6 months ago that occurred and it shows in our use. Forensic after show say in our use because number one, listen to the stories, analyze the story. Him going in the room, which me never know say him get the kids together because he's not a family man. Now that's the story Chrissy back to, you know. He's not a family man. A Chrissy I look about the family. A Chrissy I be the CMR. So all CMR fear be the kids. But anyways, a family so leave that alone. Maybe them have them days when they get the kids together. Him pull it down and go into the room and see she have fun herself. She sent touch her breast and her bottom and her shoulder. All evidence shows say in her use. Me just want to ask, all evidence shows say in her use. Remember the story coming on? Him say she play with herself and all he could do is lock the door and tell her to get ready for school and lock the door. Also sex is a given at the house, it's a dungeon. Anyways, moving right along. You understand me? Now she come back in return and tell lie to. She said him touch her shoulder, her breast and her body. No, her body. So now me telling you say sometimes kids don't want to tell the extreme because it's embarrassing to them now. Now, you understand me? So when him sister and him brother come out attack, you don't know the brother attitude. Because the whole no look sick. It's true. The little girl is that she's coming into her own, she have pride. She have pride. Him do it the first time, him do it the second time, and come back and do it the third time. She really don't want him, she fed up, because pick me moody. Eh? Because when I hear the rest, you know, because Chrissy not tell what the rest say, how you don't want she have no boyfriend. Chrissy not tell what the rest. Chrissy not tell what the rest. I cannot blame CMR. I cannot blame CMR in this case because he's a sick man. And what you expect from a sick man is Chrissy is a mother and a woman and a wife. How you allow this? How you still laugh in the face of this man? After 3 times Him do it 2 times already, and you still own up and husband up this man. Over your fool for sure. You still up and own up this man, and then no one want to give her pardon, but wouldn't give her a pardon because she traumatized her daughter. All I know, Chrissy don't do nothing for her daughter. All I know, Chrissy don't do nothing for her daughter as it relates to this. Then if everybody can see same ever video the little girl body, why Chrissy can't see? Then also Chrissy blind in a relationship, come on man. Me can't side with Chrissy. And Chrissy a girl from day 1. Me know say I evil that. She wicked. I believe the court for take with all of the people them from both CMR and Chrissy. All of the people them the court for take away. Chrissy is an unfit mother. Chrissy is an unfit mother. Chrissy is very unfit. The court for take with the baby them from them. Take with the pick them from them. Them for go scotch free now. Yeah? Them for go scotch free. No, it's not lie. So all I want to talk about this and Chrissy nothing have the pick of them. The same way them ban CMR from the pick of them for ban Chrissy about the Carter family. When they come like the Adams family, when nasty like. When they're very nasty, and Chrissy is a nasty girl. She's a nasty woman. Chrissy is a very nasty bitch. None of them not have the picnic. Chrissy stay far from our daughters. You think I safe for stay far from them? Chrissy, because she devoted to a relationship, she put man on the pinnacle. Chrissy, with people look, me want if somebody in a Chrissy family ever molest her, such a thing it's the norm. Me I wonder if somebody molests Chrissy in her family and she go with a shh, such a thing it's the norm. I fear wonder because you can't have your daughter, your child, and have your husband, your baby father, your man, fondle your daughter that is not his. What else he would do? What else? She not defend the child no time at all, and nobody not see that. She has not defended the child no time, not once she advocate for the child. She advocate for the child. Everything is about her and the man. Her and the man. Oh Lord, I can't be, but you can't bother with it, Chrissy. Remember your dog shit. Remember your dog shit, you can't bother, man. You can't bother if nobody else not have the strength for nastiness, you do. You do. You don't owe us no explanation. You don't need to come out and talk. Them just need to take with the pick of them from the tour, you know. From the tour, this is what females do. As some females put up with. See, Queenie, they make her daughter did for a man when they want her, and none of them see it so. See, Queenie, they make her daughter. You could never know, say, Queenie have a daughter will have cancer and bedridden. You would never know, say, Queenie have a daughter we want pampers for change. And Queen, you could never know. You could never know, say, Queenie as a child, where the child piss and shit up right which part them lay down. You would never know. Because Queenie does not focus on that. She proved to the public that she can hold the way and marry to him and get him. You would never know. This is how these mothers stay on the internet. This is how them mothers here stay on the internet. This is how them females here stay on the internet. And wanna talk and support them. Wanna wife them up and husband them up. Yeah. Queen advertised doing not knowing say Roro are dead. All because a man enough for we downfall. The man had the weapon we farm against whole heap away. Social media mother. So you see all she a show, them a showcase this and a showcase that. On a nastiness and attack it every day. Makeup and hair and good clothes don't make you a person. It doesn't. The richest man are the one with dignity. Yeah. The richest person are the one with self-respect, morals. When you look on Chrissy over the years, you think of Smaddy, them a dog shit. Them a dog doodoo. You wouldn't believe it. Say a mother would allow her man, her husband to abuse her daughter. I mean, this is some movie shit. This is some movie shit. I can't deal with this. For sure. So when everybody else says, I need no explanation from Chrissy, there is nothing Chrissy can state to justify. You can't in a relationship with your daughter get molested and you don't know you're clueless. Which part of the man you focus on? All of your mate them younger than you. Top chef, what my baby? All of your mate them younger than you. That's a sign. Everybody know in a relationship, them want to know their mate and their mate age and how their mate look. And if your mate younger than you start class, the man say a young girl in one. Me now ask you, and you have 4 girls. So you, Chrissy, you should ensure say you're 4 girls them. Then not come near the man here because the man here like young girls. And a rocket science, my baby. Me and you know this. There is no way you can do more wickedness and tell me say you're not going to touch this. I'm a believer. Go suck your mother, CMR.